Looking for the best ceramics coating spray that are actually worth your money? Today, I've picked the top 5 best ceramics coating spray that are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Cerakote Ceramics Coating Spray. This Cerakote ceramic paint sealant is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a deep, mirror-like gloss and long-lasting protection without the complexity of a professional ceramic coating. Designed to deliver up to a 50-wash durability rating, it creates a highly hydrophobic surface that effectively repels water, dirt, mud, and road grime, helping your vehicle stay cleaner and making routine washing noticeably easier. The finish feels exceptionally slick and enhances the color and clarity of clean paint, making it suitable as either a standalone sealant or a ceramic topper. Application is straightforward. Simply wash and dry the vehicle, spray a thin, even layer onto one panel at a time, and immediately buff with the included microfiber cloth. It works safely across exterior painted surfaces, including cars, trucks, SUVs, and motorcycles, offering a convenient way to achieve professional-looking ceramic protection at home. Next up is NextGen Ceramics Coating Spray. NextGen Ceramic Spray is a convenient option for drivers who want enhanced gloss and surface protection without the complicated application process associated with traditional ceramic coatings. Formulated with CO2 technology, it creates a protective, hydrophobic layer that helps shield exterior surfaces from UV exposure, dirt, mud, salt, pollen, water spots, bird droppings, bugs, and everyday road grime. Its 3-step application: spray, spread evenly with a microfiber towel, then buff, makes it easy to achieve a deep, glass-like shine at home. Another major advantage is its versatility, as it can be used on various surfaces including paint, metal, glass, plastic, chrome, wheels, rubber, vinyl, and more. The 8-ounce bottle also offers impressive coverage, providing multiple applications for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, and other vehicles, making it a practical choice for ongoing maintenance and protection. Coming in at number 3 is Adams Polishes Ceramics Coating Spray. Adams Ceramic Spray Coating stands out as an innovative option for enthusiasts who want the benefits of graphene-enhanced ceramic protection with a much simpler application process. Its true graphene ceramic formulation is designed to create a durable protective layer while enhancing the vehicle's overall appearance and surface performance. The standout ceramic glow technology uses UV tracers that become visible under a UV blue light, helping users identify covered areas and reduce the risk of missed spots during application. This makes the product especially appealing to both weekend detailers and experienced enthusiasts seeking more precise results. It can be applied to a wide range of exterior surfaces, including painted panels, wheels, glass, headlights, plastic trim, chrome, and unfinished metal. Applying it panel by panel provides better control and more thorough coverage. Made in the USA and backed by a satisfaction guarantee, it offers a user-friendly approach to advanced vehicle protection. Now number 4, Shine Aroma Ceramics Coating Spray. Fortify Quick Coat is a versatile car care solution designed for drivers who want an impressive shine and practical paint protection without spending hours detailing. Made in the USA, its advanced hybrid formula creates a mirror-like gloss while leaving behind a slick protective layer that helps repel water, dust, and road grime. One of its biggest advantages is the rapid 15-minute bonding time, allowing the coating to cure quickly and provide a hydrophobic finish without lengthy waiting periods. Its all-in-one design also makes light maintenance easier by functioning as a waterless wash for gently lifting light dirt and grime while adding shine and protection. For everyday use, the spray-on, wipe-off application feels as simple as using a traditional spray wax, yet the polymer layer is designed to provide months of water-repellent protection. And finally, our last pick is McKee's 37 Ceramics Coating Spray. This graphene oxide ceramic coating from McKee's 37 offers a convenient way to enhance your vehicle's appearance while adding durable exterior protection. Its advanced ceramic resin formula is designed to help shield paint from UV exposure, environmental contaminants, and minor surface scratches, making it a practical choice for maintaining a vehicle's finish over time. The coating also delivers an impressive high-gloss appearance with strong hydrophobic properties, encouraging water to bead and roll away while helping dirt and grime rinse off more easily. One of its biggest advantages is the user-friendly spray-on, rinse-off application, which eliminates the need for specialized tools or advanced detailing skills. Its versatility is another highlight, as it can be applied to painted surfaces, glass, chrome, and wheels for broader exterior coverage. Featured on Rudder's Detail and Garage on Speed Vision, McKee's 37 combines professional-inspired protection with an approachable application process for enthusiasts seeking reliable results at home. So those were the top 5 best ceramics coating spray you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.